it's Emmy. Would you like to win a free $10 gift card? How about 2? All you have to do is take a minute, send us a video of yourself reviewing one of your emmiSKIN products. That's it. Now this is a limited time offer that expires in 3 days, and if you submit more than one emmiSKIN product review, I'll give you $10 for each different product you review. Here's how to get your free $10 gift cards. Number 1, grab your smartphone or tablet that can record. Number 2, make sure your face and your emmiSKIN product are clearly visible, and be sure to hold your device wide and your camera on top. 3, tell me why you love the product and what your shopping experience was like. 4, email your video to help@emmiskin.com with the subject line emmiSKIN video review. And last, the video needs to be 20 to 50 seconds long, and be sure to mention emmiSKIN. Here's a helpful hint. Ask a friend or family member to hold the device while you tape your video. I can't wait to see all your videos. I know all of you will make. And don't forget, I'll send you a gift card right away for every product you review. You can give the gift card to a friend to share the joy of the emmiSKIN Anti-Aging Army, or just keep it for you. This is Emmy for emmiSKIN Palm Beach. I'll see you soon.